This video is designed to SURE-MED2025 reviewers. It outlines the necessary steps to carry out your assigned tasks on the OpenReview platform. First, you will receive an invitation email from SURE-MED2025, which includes the invitation link to serve as a reviewer, the link of the submission guide video, and the link of this reviewer's guide video. Click on the review invitation link in your inbox. This will redirect you to OpenReview, where you can choose to decline or accept the invitation. If you want to accept, verify that you're a human and click on the accept button. You will then be prompted to log in. If you don't have an OpenReview account, click on here to sign up following the steps outlined in the submission guide video linked in your email. If you already have an account, click on log in at the top right. Now, reviewers are highly encouraged to complete their OpenReview profiles, including the optional fields, to help Symposium chairs assign papers that best match their expertise. You can edit and complete your profile at any time. Just click on your name at the top right of the page, select Profile, then click Edit Profile. You have to complete the following sections: links, add your Google Scholar, ORCID, and LinkedIn URLs. Then in the history section, add your previous academic or research positions in addition to your current one. In relations, add non-academic connections. This is optional. And in the expertise section, you have to list your research areas of interest. The more complete your profile, the better papers can be matched to your expertise. When you are done, click Save Profile Changes. Click on openreview.net, and in your active consoles, you will see SURE-MED2025 reviewers. Here, where you can manage your reviewer tasks. You will also find SURE-MED2025 authors. This is the case if you have submitted a paper to the Symposium. Now click on SURE-MED2025 reviewers. Here, in assigned submissions, you will see any paper assigned to you. You will also be notified via email and on your OpenReview account if any paper have been assigned to you. Note that no papers will be assigned before the submission deadline, unless under exceptional cases. Click on Reviewer Tasks. Two key tasks will appear: Reviewer Expertise Selection and Reviewer Registration. Click on Reviewer's Expertise Selection. Then scroll down and click OpenReview Archive Direct Upload. Use this form to add your previously published paper to help Symposium chairs match you with relevant submissions. Enter your paper style here, then your co-authors. This is optional. You can skip if you think that it's time-consuming. Paste your paper's abstract from here. The PDF is also optional. Then leave the HTML and venue empty. Add the license. Usually it's the first option. Add your publication date and enter an approximate hour. Select your time zone and click on Submit. You can edit this section at any time by clicking on the Upload Paper from this page or from your profile. Now go back to Reviewer Tasks and click on Reviewer Registration. Now you have to fill out this form as follows: confirm your profile, select your expertise session, check the box to confirm your expertise, choose your current academic position, indicate your years of research experience, indicate your previous peer-reviewed experience, state the number of papers you are willing to review here, and select your primary geographic research focus. Click Submit when you complete. And you can edit your registration from here too. You have now completed all necessary reviewer setup steps. Again, you will be notified via email and on your OpenReview account when a paper is assigned to you. You can track and manage everything from the SURE-MED 2025 Symposium Reviewer console. If you need any further help, please contact the SURE-MED secretary.